Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about objects in JavaScript. So objects are basically referred to real life objects. Like an example, a car. A car can have different properties. Like an example, a car can have one name, one model number, and also a car can have one specific color. So these are all the properties for the car, and different cars can have different name, different model, and different colors. Similarly, a person is another object. The person can have the property first name, the property last name, and also it can have the property of country. So all of these properties belong to one person object, and different person will have different first name, last name, and country. Now let's see how we can create one object in JavaScript. So in JavaScript there are two ways we can create objects. We can use the object literal, or we can use the object constructor. So first take a look at object literal. So this is the simplest way to create object in JavaScript. So first of all, we're gonna create one object person, and inside the parentheses the object person will have different properties. The person object can have first name, so this is one name of the property, and the value can be any string. And after the comma we can have several other properties, like in example the last name, and after the colon we can have the last name of the object. And we're gonna add another country property, and the country will be USA. So here the first name is the name of the property, and after the colon we have the value of the property. So now we're gonna see how we can create one object by using the object constructor method. So for that, first of all, we're gonna create the const person. We're gonna assign new object to the person, and now we can add several different properties to the person, like person dot first name, and also we can add person dot last name. Similarly, also we can add the country. So here we have created the same person object by using the object constructor. So now we're gonna see how we can access the properties of the object. So to access the properties of the object, we can use the dot operator, or we can use the square brackets. So we're gonna console log, and then we have to use person dot first name, and this will print the first name of the person. Similarly, also we can access the last name property, and you can see last name on the console. And there is another way we can do the same thing by using the square brackets. So inside the square bracket we have to pass the property we wanted to access. So you can see the first name John printed here. Just like any other property, JavaScript object can also hold functions. So we're gonna add one function called full name, and we're gonna define the function. So the function will basically return the first name and last name of the person object. So this is the name of the function, and this is the definition of the function. So if you are wondering what is this here, for now all you need to know, this is referring to the person object. Later I will create one dedicated video where I will explain all the detail about this. So here this dot fname is same as person dot fname, so it will return the first name. So to call the function we have to use the dot operator. So I'm gonna console log, and then I'm gonna call person dot full name. Because this is one function, so we have to use parentheses after that. And now you can see we have the full name as John Doe. And also, just like function, a object in JavaScript can have another object. Like an example, we can add the contact details, and the contact details can contain email. So the name will be email, and the value will be the email. And also we can add the phone number. So you can see inside the person object we have another contact object which is having two properties, email and phone. And also we can access all of these contact detail by using the dot operator. So I'm gonna console log person dot contact dot email, and this will print the email of the person object. Similarly, also we can access the phone, so we have to use person.contact.phone, and this will print the phone number of that person object. So in JavaScript we can create one object. The object can have different properties, it can even have functions, or even object can hold another object. So hope you understand about the concept of object in JavaScript. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.